My name is Morgan, and I'm the Business and Nonprofit Librarian with Greensboro Public Library. Today, I want to explore finding data variables in Simply Analytics. If you're not familiar with Simply Analytics, a powerful demographic and market research tool for small businesses, nonprofits, researchers, and more, I encourage you to check out my video exploring what Simply Analytics is and what it can do. Let's get started. Project I've already created. If you want to learn how to create a project in Simply Analytics, check out my video on how to do that. Right now, we are looking at a map exploring the total population in Greensboro. I can determine this by looking at the top of the map and locating the data dropdown, which allows me to select and see which data variables are being showcased on the map. If I entered in multiple locations when creating my project, I can move over to the location dropdown and select and view my data variable in a specific determined location. Keep in mind there are more ways to view data in Simply Analytics besides the map. We will explore these different reports in another video. For right now, I can explore the total population in different parts of Greensboro by just zooming in on the map. Notice as I zoom in, the colors on the map begin to shift and change. I can determine the population density of various areas of Greensboro by matching the color on the map with shades on the map's legend on the right. But what if I decide I want to search for another data variable? Simply Analytics makes it easy to do this. For the purposes of our example, let's say I'm a small business owner who makes homemade body care products such as soaps and lotions. I'm interested in creating a new product line of moisturizing bar soaps, but I first want to determine how many people in Greensboro use products like this and what areas of Greensboro has the highest use of products like this. Believe it or not, there is data on this. I can search for the data in two different ways. On the left-hand side, we can see different categories of data. I can begin searching for data by clicking on a category of interest. So since I'm interested in consumer use, I'm going to scroll down and click on consumer behavior. Now, from here, I can begin narrowing down categories by selecting from the category options, such as selecting, let's see here, health and beauty would probably make sense. And then from health and beauty, skincare and soap. That would fit what I'm looking for. And then from here, I can continue scrolling and searching for various data points that would be helpful for what I'm searching for. But there's an additional way you can search for data in Simply Analytics that maybe makes it a little bit easier to find specific data points you're interested in. And that's by using these filter options and search options that you can see here in the data menu and over here on the main data portal. So up here at the top, I'm going to go ahead and type in moisturizing bar soap. Now before I hit enter, I want to take a quick moment to explain that it's important to note that this search is not exactly like Google, which you may be familiar with. It's not like Google in the sense that if you misspell something or if the keywords you type in don't match exactly with how the database describes the data, you may not get the results you're looking for. If your first attempt doesn't work, I definitely encourage you to think and try different ways of describing what you're looking for. So after hitting enter here, I can see here that there are definitely some data variables that could be useful. I'm going to click on this one that should show me the percentage of the population that use moisturizing bar soaps. After clicking on the variable, I'm going to head back to our map by just clicking off the data variable screen. And from here, I can begin to see areas of Greensboro that seem to use a lot of moisturizing bar soap. Here's a specific area that's a really dark shade of red, which is a good sign for what I'm looking for. So I can begin to explore this further. I hope you found that video helpful. We are so excited to be able to provide access to this database for free online with your Greensboro Public Library card. Don't forget to check out our other videos on exploring data, reports, and a whole lot more. Have questions? The Information Services team are always here to help you. Give us a call at 336-335-5430. I also will provide my email address in just a little bit. On behalf of Greensboro Public Library, thanks for watching and happy researching.